Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. The spokesman for the Yoruba socio-cultural organization Afenifere, Yinka Odumakin, is dead. He died in the early hours of today due to complications from COVID-19, according to family sources. Details of his death are still sketchy. I just spoke with Dr. Jo, his wife. She is in a panic mood. She said a part of her is gone. Odumakin had been in the ICU of Løsses for the past 1 week after being transferred from IDH Yaba, a source said. Odumakin was a human rights activist who played a vital role in the National Democratic Coalition (NADECO) that fought General Sani Abacha's regime after the annulment of the June 12, 1993 election. He was the apex Yoruba group spokesman for over 2 decades, coordinating the publicity and public relations activities of the group. He was also one of the Southern and Middle Belt Leaders Forum (SMBLF) spokesperson, the body representing ethnic nationalities in the Southwest, South-South, Southeast, and the Middle Belt. Odumakin, married to another activist, Dr. Jo Odumakin, has been one of the strongest critics of the present government, using the platform of the Afenifere. He has consistently taken on the Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government over alleged impartiality and favorism in appointments into various offices. His voice also very loud in condemning the activities of the killer herders in the Yoruba land. He recently warned the federal government against arresting Sunday Igboho, who recently issued a quit notice to the Fulani herders in Ibarapa, Oyo State, and subsequently ejected the Seriki Fulani in Igangan. Our correspondent was told that a delegation of Yoruba leaders were on their way to the residence of Afenifere leader Ayo Adebayo to break the news to him. The wife said, "A part of me is gone. A part of me is gone. He fought hard at the intensive care unit. Pray for me to survive this. My love is gone. He was okay before. Even on March 10, he was still attending meetings. He was recovering yesterday, but he died this morning. I am at the intensive care unit. A part of me is gone."